This experiment is polarimeter experiment. In this video, we are going to determine the specific rotation of sugarcane solution and of pure water. In this, we use polarimeter. This is the polarimeter. This is the source of light, which is sodium vapor lamp. It is a monochromatic source of light. This is polymeter tube, and this part is half shade device. This is main scale. This is vernier scale. First we will close it. Then we will adjust the vernier scale and main scale reading to 0 0 in single line. First we will adjust this to 0 0, both main scale and vernier scale. Now we must look through the eyepiece and rotate the eyepiece till we see half circles, two half circles, half bright, half dark, and this we will see at 170 degree. At 170 degree, we will see two half circles. This we have now rotated at clockwise direction, and we can see half circles. Now we will again rotate it and take it to 0 0. After this, we will rotate it in anti-clockwise direction till we see two half circles. At around 230 to 220 degree, we will see again we will see two half circles. Now first reading is of clockwise direction. In MSR we will note the reading of the clockwise direction where we have seen the half circles, and the VSR reading at which matches to the main scale reading and vernier scale, the line which gets connected without interfering in straight lines, that will be our main scale and vernier scale reading. In the same way, for reading 2, now we have rotated to anti-clockwise direction, and the reading which we get here, the line which is exactly matching to the main scale and vernier scale, that we will note and write it in the main scale and vernier scale reading. Total reading will be the sum of main scale reading and vernier scale reading, and to find the A, we are going to add the both and divide it by 2. We will get the average degree. Now the second observation table is of sugar solution. So we will remove the pure water solution and add the tube for this is the sugar solution tube. Now we will again do the same process, take it to 0. Now this is the for sugar solution, 0 0 is again adjusted. Now we will rotate it approximately till we see the two half circles. This we will see at around 90 degree, and the line which matches from this main scale and vernier scale exactly, we will take the readings and note down in observation table. As we can see, the main scale reading of 92 degree and vernier scale 7th line matches exactly in this. So we are going to take that readings, and total reading will be their addition. In the same way, this is first reading for clockwise direction. Now we will rotate it to anti-clockwise direction, and at anti-clockwise at around 196 degree, we can see two half circles, and the line which matches, we will take the same reading. Now we will take this addition of both and their average. We will find A and B, that is the mean, and to find the mean, theta is equals to L into C, and this is the procedure and observation table, and by this way we can do the calculation.